Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Microsoft Edge extensions in Windows 10. Type GP Edit in Windows search bar. Click GP Edit. Click Computer Configuration. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click Microsoft Edge. Open Allow Extensions. Check Disabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit registry. Restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.